friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Deal update from CVS week of July 19 to July 25, 2020. In this week, I used all the digital and printable coupon. If you are new to CVS coupon, make sure to watch my first video on description below. So let's get started. First deal, it's Colgate toothpaste deal scenario 1. Buy 2 Colgate and get back $4.50 ECB back. It's limit 2 per household. It's also sell $3.49 each. Buy 4 Colgate total SF advance 3.4 OZ. The totals come out $13.96. It's $3.49 each. Use one $5 off 3 Colgate digital coupon. In this coupon, you can must buy advanced toothpaste 3.4 OZ. Otherwise, it's not getting off $5 off 3 Colgate digital coupon. You can use one 75¢ off Colgate total advanced printable coupon on Colgate.com. Use one $3 off 10 Colgate toothpaste CVS CRT. Use one $3 off teeth whitening kit CVS CRT. The total coupon is $11.75. Pay only $2.21 and get back $9 ECB. The final cost all 4 Colgate is free plus $6.79 money maker. Colgate toothpaste deal scenario 2. Buy 4 Colgate total SF advance 4.8 OZ. The totals come $13.96. Use for 75% off Colgate total advance printable coupon on Colgate.com. Use one $3 off 10 Colgate toothpaste CVS CRT. The total coupon is $6. Pay only $7.96 and get back $9 ECB. The final cost all 4 Colgate is free plus $1.04 money maker. The second deal is Colgate toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash, get back $5 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. It's also sell $3.99 each. You can buy 4 Colgate 360 manual toothbrush 1 CT. The totals come out $15.96. It's $3.99 each. Use one $3 off 10 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 4 75% off Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $6. Pay only $9.96. Get back $10 ECB. The final cost all 4 toothbrush is free. The third deal is Irish Spring body wash deal. Buy 2 get $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. It sells $3.99. Buy 2 Irish Spring body wash 18 FL OZ. The totals come out $7.98. Use 2 75% off Irish Spring body wash coupon on irishspring.com. Use one $1 off 2 Irish Spring CVS app only coupon. Use one $2 off 8 body wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $4.50. Pay only $3.48 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost both product is only 24 cents each. The fourth deal is Maybelline deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 4 Maybelline Expert Wear Twin Eye and Brow. The total come out $19.96. It's $4.99 each. Use one $5 off $20 off Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 4 $2 off Maybelline printable coupon on coupon.com. It's like 2 weeks ago. The total coupon is $13. Pay only $6.96 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $3.04 money maker. If you don't have $5 off 20 CVS CRT, you still get better deal. It's also count CVS Beauty Reward. The fifth deal, Wet n Wild deal. Spend $15 and get back $8 ECB. The limit is 3 per household. Buy 3 Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. The totals come out $14.97. It's $4.99 each. Use one $3 off Physician Formula or Wet n Wild Mystery coupon. It's printed on last week. pay only $11.97 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is $3.97 or $1.32 each. If you have $3 of 12 cosmetic CVS CRT, you can stack with this deal to get better saving. It's also count towards the CVS Beauty Reward. If you don't want to do this deal, you can use $3 of Wait and File coupon to get free lipstick, guys. The next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner. It's $5.99. It's the cheapest product of the CoverGirl. And buy 1 CoverGirl Professional Regular Brush Mascara. It's $6.99. The total coupon is $12.98. Use one $2 of CoverGirl Eye product printable coupon. Use one $2 of CoverGirl Eye product digital coupon. Use one $3 of 15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $1 of 50-cent CoverGirl Mascara app only coupon. The total coupon is $8.50. Pay only $4.48 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is all 2 product is free plus $1.52 money maker. It's also count CVS Beauty Rewards. If you don't have $3 or 15 CoverGirl CVS CRT, the both product are $1.48 or 74 cents each. The 7th deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex deal. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. But in this deal, if you have the CRT 2 of 10 CVS CRT, then you can do this deal. Buy 1 Stay Free Maxi Pad with Wings, $7.99. Buy 1 Stay Free Maxi Pad with Wings. Buy 1 get 1 50%, means it's like $3.99. The total it's $11.97. Use one $1 off on Stay Free Pad app only coupon. Use one $2 of 10 paid liner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $7. Pay only $8.97 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $5.97 each or $2.98 each. The 8th deal, You Buy Cortex deal. Buy 2, get back $2 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell 2 for $8. Buy 2 You Buy Cortex pad 14 to 18 CT. It's $8. Use one $2 off You Buy Cortex Pad CVS CRT. Use one $1.50 off You Buy Cortex CVS digital coupon. The total coupon is $3.50. Pay only $4.50 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is $2.50 or $1.25 each. If you have $2 off 8 Cortex CVS CRT or $3 off 2 You Buy Cortex insert coupon, you can stack with this deal and get the money maker. So the 9th deal, it's Revlon cosmetic deal. In this week, they have mystery coupon on Revlon. Spend $12 and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 6 per household. Buy 2 Revlon eyelashes color, $12.58. It's $6.29 each. Use one $5 of 10 Revlon Beauty Tool CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Revlon CVS mystery coupon. Maybe it's like $3, yeah, $5. The total coupon is $9. Pay only $3.58 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus 42-cent money maker. We don't know right now like what is the mystery coupon, $4, yeah, $5. We can check on Sunday. And if you don't want to use that mystery coupon, the next deal, next to next week, 7/26, it's the National Lipstick Day. 7/29 it started. It's $7.99 and buy 2 get $5 ECB. If you don't want to use that mystery coupon, you can use the next week also. So next deal, it's Garnier facial care deal. In this deal, If you have the CRT like mine does, like buy one get one free Garnier Skin Active facial masks, then you can do this deal. Buy two facial care and get $5 ECB back. It's limit 1 per household. Buy two Garnier Skin Active Aloe Facial Mist. It's $19.58. It's $9.79 each. Buy two Garnier Fresh Mix Aqua Boost Mask, $6.58. It's $3.29 each. The totals come out $26.16. Use one $5 off 20 Garnier Skincare CVS CRT. Use one buy one get one free Garnier Aqua Boost Sit Mask CVS CRT. Use one buy one get one free Garnier Green Tea Facial Mist CVS CRT. The total coupon is $18. Pay only $8.16 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $3.16 or $1.58 each. So the next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo 17.7 to 20.1 OZ. It's 3 for $15. Buy 2 Pantene Nutrient Blend. It's $11.98. It's $5.99 each. Buy one Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT. It's $4.94 each. The totals come out $31.92. Use one $4 off 18 shampoo or conditioner CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Tide Pod digital coupon. Use one $1 off Tide Pod CVS app only coupon. Use one $2 off Pantene hair care CVS CRT. Use one $5 off 3 Pantene shampoo digital coupon. Use one $5 off 2 Pantene Nutrient Blend digital coupon. The total coupon is $19. Pay only $12.92 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is all 6 items. It's $2.92 or 48 cents each. Household deal scenario 2. Spend 30 get $10 ECB. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect. It's $19.49 each. Buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT. It's $11.94 each. The total comes out $31.43. Use one $7 off L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Tide Pod digital coupon. Use one $1 off Tide Pod CVS app only coupon. Use one $5 off 15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. The total coupon is $16. Pay only $15.43 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is all items are $5.43 or $2.71 each. If you guys have a L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect $7 off 2 CRT, you can stack with this deal and get the better price and free plus money maker. Household deal scenario 3. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. Buy one Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT $4.94. Buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo or conditioner 12 to 12.6 OZ, it's 3 for $12. Buy one Gain Fling 16 CT, excludes Simply Pores, $4.94. The totals come out $33.82. Use one $3 off 12 shampoo or conditioner CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Pantene Aussie CVS CRT. Use one $1 off CVS app only coupon. Use one $3 off Tide Pod CVS digital coupon. Use one $2 off Tide Pod CVS digital coupon. Use one $2 off Gain Fling CVS digital coupon. Use one $1 off Tide Pod CVS app only coupon, and use one $5 off 3 Pantene shampoo CVS digital coupon. The total coupon is $19. Pay only $14.82 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is all 6 products is $4.82 or 80 cents each. The 12th deal is Vaporizer Nail Deal. This is the unadvertised deal. they have the last week also the same deal. Buy 2 get $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Poporizel nail, it's 2 for $5. Use $1 of 5 Poporizel nail polish CVS CRT. Pay only $4 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is both are free, plus you can count the CVS beauty reward. So that's next week couponing haul. If you have any question, comment down me below. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys.